Here we go, man. Good, put your best shot.
Hey, I'm gonna show you some magic. Will you come here? Come here, come here. Ah, okay. I'll just come to you, okay? I have a cards here.
Yeah, I see.
This is a called Tiger deck.
What?
Tiger deck.
Tiger Lip.
Yes. I'm gonna let him choose a card, okay? Say stop wherever you want. Stop. Okay. Get the card where you stop. Okay. Okay. You have the card? May I look at it? Put it back. I'm just gonna see what's his card, okay?
Okay.
Oh, his card is Four of Spade. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do this, okay? Four of Spade. When I rub the Four of Spade like that, look at the cards, and I'm gonna put it like this, and bring the pips over here. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Feel it. Wow. How do you do that? That's not yet. Oh, we're
Is
gonna
there
do
another one?
it again. Okay.
There's
Look at
more.
this. Yeah.
You can see there's more.
Yeah. Okay. Look at it. Okay.
Wow, man.
We're gonna rub it again. When we go like this, the pips also went down here.
Whoa.
See that? Gotta do it again, okay? Last time.
I'm gonna close it up, man.
Yeah, okay?
Just to see the people
Yeah, okay.
how magic was.
Okay, when you do it again like this, see? The four pips came
Oh
in.
man, I can't believe it.
Okay? We're gonna let him look at the card, okay? Look at your card. Look at his card.
It's
Is it real?
It's real.
Okay, let me have it. But we can't have a card like this, okay? So we will gonna change his card back to normal, okay?
Yeah,
Look at his card like this.
Because the first page
Yeah.
just
Yeah, look at his card. Go changing direction like this. See?
whoa.
His card changed back to normal. See that?
I'm speechless. It's just a
Yeah.
thing. It's a magic,
But-
man.
I'm gonna show.
What can you say?
I'm waiting. Nothing.
I'm gonna show again another trick for you.
Parang nasira yun, ah.
But we'll
Another
gonna.
one, another magic, man.
I'm gonna show again another
We're just
magic.
showing the people
Yeah.
how talented you are if
I'm gonna
it
show
came to
trick
magic. Yeah.
About this card. This is called the Piper Tally Ho deck. You can buy this
That
at
cards.
illusionist.com. Okay. This deck is very impossible to buy. You know, because you're going to go to the internet first. Okay. This
Yeah.
deck is a regular deck. You
That's
can
our
put it
deck,
like
man.
this. Yeah.
Regular deck.
Okay.
See, and then
Okay.
what you gonna
Now,
do next?
I'm gonna choose her a card. Okay. Choose
Her,
card.
maybe his.
I thought she's a girl. Okay.
I'm not the girl.
Yeah, choose card.
Maybe
Okay.
someday.
Okay. Have you chosen your card?
Yeah,
Okay.
we've seen it. You
So
see people.
I'll put it back again.
Oh yeah. You say stop.
Stop.
Okay. Put your card here. Give it to me. You gotta put it here at the, at the center. Okay. Did you see his card in the center?
Yup.
Now look at the card. No. Okay. I'm gonna put his card in here. We're gonna put it flat. Okay. Where's the flat here? Okay, like this. Now look at the card. I'm going
Where
to
you will see it,
concentrate on
man.
it. Okay. Oh.
Oh.
Ay! Oh. See that? His card moved. Okay? We're
I
gonna show.
can't believe it. I can't believe
Is this
it.
his
man.
card?
I believe that, man. You're.
Woo! Yeah. I think that's it.
May I see, man?
His cards disappear in the top of it, man.
Yeah.
My English is too.
What you gonna say about the magic he did?
Dito lapid.
Kamagong, man. Thank you.